Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from test of mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is very well known by Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institution to help the students in their preparation for different I.S.I entrances. So let's see what is in the problem. Let ABC are the lengths of the sides of a triangle ABC, which is capital ABC, and if P1, P2 and P3 are the lengths of the perpendicular drawn from the circumference on the side BC, CA and AB respectively, then we have to show that A by P1 plus B by P2 plus C by P3 is equals to ABC divided by 4 P1, P2, P3. So let's start the solution. As P1, P2, P3 are the lengths of the perpendicular drawn from the circumference O to the uh, sides of length ABC respectively, then from the diagram we can say that so first of all we draw the diagram. This is a circle and this is center of this circle. Okay, and then we draw the triangle ABC. Okay, now uh, this is the perpendicular from center to BC, which cuts BC at a D point. This is the perpendicular which cuts AB at F point, and this is the perpendicular which cuts AC at E point. Okay, now join AO, BO and also CO. Okay, the length of OD is P1, the length of OF is P3 and OE is P2 given by the question. Okay, here DEF are the midpoints of APC, CA and AB respectively. Are the midpoints of BC, CA and AB respectively. Hence, in triangle POD, triangle BOD, which is this triangle, and triangle COD, which is this triangle, we can say that first of all angle BDO is equals to angle CDO is equals to 90 degree. BD is equals to DC, as D is the midpoint of BC. And thirdly, we can say that OD is common. Therefore, they are equivalent triangles. Okay. Now, similarly, Similarly, we can say that triangle COE is equivalent to triangle AOE, and triangle AOF is equivalent to triangle BOF. Therefore, this implies angle BOD is equals to angle COD is equals to theta, say. These two angles are equal, therefore, and we named it as theta. And angle COE is equals to angle AOE is equals to phi, say. COE and AOE, these two angles are also equal. And lastly, angle AOF is equals to angle BOF is equals to phi, say. These two angles are also equal. Okay, now we just add these angles, and therefore we get angle BOD plus angle COD plus angle COE plus angle AOE plus angle AOF plus BOF, which results in 2 into theta plus phi plus psi. Sorry, this is equals to theta plus phi plus psi, and as angle BOD is angle COD, no, we have here 2 into theta plus phi plus psi. Sorry for this inconvenience. Okay, therefore we can say that 2 into theta plus phi plus psi is equals to 2 pi, and then theta plus phi is equals to pi minus psi. Okay, and tan theta plus phi is equals to tan pi minus psi, which results in minus tan psi. Now tan theta plus phi means tan theta plus tan phi divided by 1 minus tan theta tan phi, which is equals to minus tan psi. Okay, this results in tan theta plus tan phi is equals to minus tan psi plus tan theta tan phi tan psi. Therefore we get tan theta plus tan phi plus tan psi is equals to tan theta multiplied by tan phi multiplied by tan psi. Now the value of tan theta is a by 2p1, where a is the length of the side of this triangle, ABC be the lengths of the sides. Okay, where this is A, this is C, and this is B, say. Okay, Hence we get tan theta is equals to a by 2p1 plus b by 2p2 be the value of tan phi, and the value of tan psi is c by 2p3. As we know that tan theta is equals to perpendicular divided by base. Now in the triangle OBD, that is this triangle, the value of theta is angle BOD. Therefore tan theta is equals to BD by OD. Now the value of BD is A by 2 and the value of OD is P1. Therefore the value of tan theta is A by 2 P1. Similarly, we can have the value of tan phi and tan psi as B by 2 P2 and C by 2 P3. Therefore, in the right hand side we get ABC divided by 8 P1 P2 P3. So lastly we get A by P1 plus B by P2 plus C by P3 is equals to ABC divided by 4 into P1 P2 P3. Okay, so that's the proof, and that's all for today. And we saw ourselves classes provide different study material and mock test series for different I.S.I entrances, so you can join us. And for further details, you can check our website also, which is www.saurasclasses.com. And please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you.